Here's a new 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. This is a truck with a work ethic to match your own, one that doesn't stop at good enough. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Ecotec 3 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. GMC, professional-grade vehicle suited to fit your needs. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.